In this video, we're going to use the triangular definitions of the basic trigonometric functions. It says the coordinate P, given below, is a point on the unit circle, and theta is the angle whose terminal side passes through the point P. Given that y is less than 0, what is the value of y? Use exact values here, or enter exact values. They tell you y is less than 0, and you can see that x is also less than 0. So both of these are negative. If we draw the unit circle, that means that we would be in quadrant 3 because both x and y are less than 0. So we're going to just mark that our point P would be like right here. Now if I draw a triangle for that point P in that quadrant, it would look like so. And they give us negative 3/8 for the x value, so this is negative 3/8 here. They do not give us a y value, that's what we're looking for. But we know that on the unit circle, that the radius is 1 unit. So that's 1 there. So you can see we can use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out this y value. Negative 3/8 squared plus y squared is going to equal 1 squared. That gives you 9 over 64 plus y squared equals 1. If I subtract that to the other side, I get y squared equals 1 minus 9 over 64. If I make this 64 over 64, that'd be y squared equals 64 over 64 minus 9 over 64. When I subtract there, I get y squared equals 55 over 64. Now I can take the square root of each side. When I take the square root of each side, I get y equals plus and minus. This would be root 55 over square root of 64 is 8. Now, the key to the problem is they tell you that y is less than 0. So my y value cannot be positive here. It has to be negative, the negative version. So I'm going to ignore the positive version and say that y is equal to negative root 55 over 8. And that's the y part of the coordinate for point P.